Guys, for today's video, ang pag-uusapan muna natin today ay all about S-Loan. So, kamusta na ba ang interest rate ni S-Loan? Kamusta na ba ang requirements or eligibility para magkaroon kayo ng S-Loan? How does S-Loan compare with the offer ni C-Bank na C-Bank Credit? And what are the charges na kasama dito kapag umutang kayo kay S-Loan? So, pag-uusapan po natin yan. Samahan niyo ako. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, yeah. So S-Loan for 2025. Kung hindi pa kayo well aware about S-Loan, si S-Loan ay product ni C-Money. O, sino si C-Money? Well, si C-Money naman ang isa sa nagfa-finance ng mga loan service kay Shopee. Actually, sa pagkakalam ko, dalawa yung company na nagpa-finance ng mga pautang kay Shopee. Pautang in the sense na may finance option doon na pwede mong piliin as a buyer, yun yung S-Loan or S-Pay-Later. Ang isa pang company na nagpa-finance nun ay si CIMB. Kapag umutang naman kayo dito kay S-Loan or S-Pay-Later, pare-parehas naman yan ng mga rules, mga terms and condition. Medyo nagkakaiba na lang yan sa eligibility kung sino ang papautangan. Kasi ang nagde-decide na nun is yung company na nagpa-finance. For in this case, si C-Money yung pag-uusapan natin. Paano ba maging eligible dito kay S-Loan? And saan ba siya makikita? Maging eligible ka for S-Loan kung ikaw ay at legal age 18 years old and above. Pangalawa is na-verify mo yung Shopee account mo. Nakapag-KYC ka. Ibig sabihin, nakapag-selfie ka or video selfie and nakapag-provide ka ng valid ID. And then, makikita mo yon, i-upgrade yung account mo to be a verified status with Shopee. Kapag okay na yon, then you're all set. Kailangan mo na lang gawin is to enhance or pagandahin ang inyong credit status kay Shopee at yung overall credit rating nyo. Ano ibig ko sabihin? Una muna kay Shopee. So, yung activities nyo kay Shopee, nakikita yan ng company na nagpa-finance. So, makikita nila kung madalas ka bang nagbabayad in credit card, madalas ka ba nagka-cash, madalas ka bang umu-order, so on and so forth. So, makikita nila na,
okay, parang marami naman pala tong pera, laging umu-order, so pwede ko siyang bigyan.
parang ganon. And yung another naman is yung overall credit score or credit rating. You maintain a good credit rating. Hindi lang kay Shopee. Kung meron pa kayong pinag-utangan, okay lang naman yan. Basta laging current, ibig sabihin, lagi kayo nagbabayad on time, hindi kayo nalilate, then for sure may effect yan sa inyong credit score. If you maintain a good credit standing, it will open up for a different opportunity or loan offers sa'yo. Yeah, pagandahin nyo lang yung credit score nyo, yung relationship nyo with Shopee, and then, bigla nilang i-offer ni Shopee yung S-Loan sa inyo. But just in case lang na gusto nyo malaman, so ganito po yung kalakaran on how you get offers such like S-Loan. So, saan ba siya makikita? Okay, so open po natin yung Shopee account natin. Click nyo lang po itong cash in sa taas yung tabi ng QR. Then, ayan po, nakalagay dyan link Apple ID, load bills and travel, finance, tas S-Pay-Later. Click po natin yung finance. Ayan. So, dito nyo po makikita yung mga available loan services nyo. For me, ayan po yung S-Pay-Later. And then, dati po akong seller sa Shopee. Ito po yung S-Loan for sellers ko. So, just to share lang po, nung active seller po ako, umabot pa po yan ng around 50,000 na loanable amount. And then, eventually, tumigil po ako. Then, yun, bumaba po nung bumaba, na actually na-disable pa nga po itong S-Loan ko. And then, bumalik. Tapos, ayan, 10,000 po yung available credit sa akin. So, dyan nyo po siya makikita. Now, na nakita nyo na po yan, here are the 5 things that you need to know when getting a loan with S-Loan by C-Money sa Shopee this 2025. So, unang-una sa lahat, please note that S-Loan or si C-Money ay isang reporting entity kay CIC or the Credit Information Corporation. Ibig sabihin lang po neto na lahat ng loans nyo with C-Money or with Shopee ay nire-report po nila yan sa CIC or sa credit bureau natin. And then, ito pong activity natin could make better our credit score or it could harm our credit score, lalo na kung medyo pumapalya po tayo sa pagbabayad. If religiously on time naman po ang payment natin, never tayo nalilate, then it can do good sa ating credit score. Since si C-Money or si CIMB ay reporting entity kay CIC, then it is good na alagaan nyo rin po kung nanghihiram kayo dito kay S-Loan. Additionally, kapag paulit-ulit na po kayo nanghihiram kay S-Loan, tumataas din naman po ang credit line na pwede nilang ibigay sa inyo. Okay, number 2, Shopee's interest rate still varies from person to person. So, walang isang interest rate para sa lahat. Comparing S-Loan with Cbank Credit. Si Cbank Credit, guys, if you want to know more about it, check this video o check nyo na lang yan within my channel. Kung i-compare natin si S-Loan with Cbank Credit, well, yung average interest rate na pinapataw ni S-Loan is definitely mas malaki versus kay Cbank Credit. Si Cbank Credit ay merong one interest for all na nasa 2.95% monthly add-on interest rate. Pero ang masasabi ko lang naman po kay S-Loan, they will still charge an interest rate that is within the legal percentage rate. Pakita ko na lang din po sa inyo an example of that interest rate sa akin. So, ito po yung S-Loan ko. Nasa around 2.80% ang monthly add-on interest rate. So, for me, medyo mas mababa because meron akong good credit standing with Shopee. For a regular user or on average, nasa around 4.4% ang interest rate na pinapataw. That's why, kung makikita nyo sa Reddit, pag nag-search kayo, sasabihin nila,
Taas naman ang interest, ganyan-ganyan, na doble, or what.
okay, number 3, yung loan tenure, they could offer tenure as short as 3 months, 6 months, and then 12 months. Having a longer term could offer flexibility sa budget nyo. However, just note that the longer yung pinapatagal ang inyong utang, the higher the interest expense na na-charge sa inyo. So, kung gusto nyo pong makatipid ng interest, then go to that route na mas maikli yung babayaran. Number 4 is, you can pay off your loan in advance. However, please don't expect that it is like your G loan, na kapag nagbayad kayo in advance, merong cashback kayo ma-receive for the interest na hindi pa nag-due. So, si S-Loan ay babayaran nyo pati yung interest ng ibang buwan. However, guys, you can contact customer service of S-Loan or CC Money to request a waiver for the interest ng mga months na in advance. So, kung pinayagan nila kayo, then you will be receiving the cashback or mas liliit yung closing amount na babayaran nyo. Okay, number 5, there are charges involved when getting an S-Loan. So, nandyan ang admin fee, which is not present kay Cbank Credit. So, yun naman ang advantage ni Cbank Credit. Walang admin charges. Number 2, meron ding additional na loan protection kay S-Loan. Though this is not a mandatory, you can check or uncheck this option. So, yung loan protection, ito po siya. Loan protection consists of 2 services that allow you to withdraw a loan without peace of mind. Late fee waiver daw and credit life insurance. So, basically, nagkaroon kayo ng late sa pagbabayad, then masya-chargean kayo ng late fee. Dahil may loan protection kayo, pwede na pong ma-waive yung late fees na yon. Additionally, merong credit life insurance. Maganda pakinggan, no? Credit life insurance. Pero ano ba yung cover ng credit life insurance? So, ito siya. Yung credit life insurance will cover the outstanding loan amount plus the interest in case of the following unforeseen events. Pag namatay kayo, natural death, death due to accident, death due to unprovoked murder or assault, or total and permanent disability due to accident. Okay. So, ito yung gusto kong pagtuunan natin ng pansin. Basically, natural death, death by accident, at saka death by unprovoked murder. Etong tatlong to, patay ka na eh. Para saan pa? Sino pa ang insured? Parang in-insure mo yung kumpanya. Dito naman sa loan natin, with S-Loan, wala naman tayong co-borrower. Ikaw lang yung may utang. And also, hindi naman pwedeng i-transfer yung utang mo sa kapamilya mo. Though guys, if dumating sa korte, kunyari nilaban or what, well, yung utang can be charged versus sa estate. Ibig sabihin nun, yung estate is yung mga natitira mong gamit, natitira mong ari-arian. So, doon kukunin. If in case na mag-prosper yung case na ipa-file sa'yo. So, gano'n naman siya. Protection yon para hindi mabawasan yung estate mo. At mapunta yung mga naiwan mo sa kapamilya mo. Siguro, ang nakikita ko lang dito is napaka-okay ng credit life insurance para dun sa total and permanent disability. Since hindi ka na makapagtrabaho, wala ka ng chance na kumita ng pera at problema nga yung pagbabayad. Loan protection is 0.2% lang naman ng inyong loan amount. So, example na lang dito, kung 10,000 yung loan times 0.002, nasa 20 pesos lang naman. So, parang okay na rin guys. Kasi kung isipin nyo, just in case na makalimutan yung magbayad, ma-waive na rin naman yung late fee. So basically, yan yung mga kailangan yung malaman when getting a loan from S-Loan. Well, apart from the loan contract nyo, kapag nag-loan na kayo, kailangan yung tandaan yan, yung date ng pagbabayad, kung paano magbayad. Kung paano magbayad guys, napakadali lang naman. Magka-cash in lang kayo sa inyong Shopee Pay, and then from your Shopee Pay, bayaran nyo na. Ganun lang po kasimple. So, for our question of the day, so napag-usapan natin about dun sa credit life insurance na protected yung estate mo, yung ari-arian mo, pag namatay ka. Dahil hindi na hahabulin yung utang mo dun sa ari-arian mo. And also, syempre, hindi naman po transferable ang utang, di ba? For our question of the day, sa tingin nyo worth it ba kumuha ng credit life insurance? Kung ganun lang naman ang patakaran? Siguro kung may co-borrower ka, okay yun. Pero paano kung wala? Yan, let me know po sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly Gcash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout po kay Adkasu. So, nag-share po ng information si Sir Adkasu and nagpapa-shoutout po. Sir Adkasu, shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa na-share yung information. Check po natin kung magagawan po natin ng clarification video yung share yung information. Ayan. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up. And if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!